Welcome to this GPS Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate a AD3411 Data Science and Analyticals Laboratory. This is for Anna University B.Tech Artificial and Data Science for 4th semester 2021 regulation. Before demonstrating the exercises, we need to know what is the meaning of data science analytics. Data science, extracting the meaningful information from the huge amount of data. The data may be structured or unstructured data. For extracting the information, we are going to implement some algorithms. The algorithms is a combination of different domains like mathematics, computations, statistics, and programming. Data analytics, it is used to conclude by processing the raw data in many business domains. We are extracting that information. Through that information, we are getting some conclusion. Through the conclusion, I can able to take decision in my business. That is the meaning of data analytics. So here I will show that the syllabus. This is a syllabus given for our AD3411 Data Science Analytical Laboratory. Here totally we have 11 experiments. Here the tools we need to use: Python, NumPy, SciPy, Matplot, Pandas, statistical models, Seaborn, Plotly. Then these are the things we need to practice. Totally we have 11 experiments. Today I am going to demonstrate the first experiment working with Pandas data frames. So here the Pandas is a Python package which is used to provide the fast, flexible data structures. Dataframe that is available inside the Pandas, it is a two-dimensional data structures aligned in a tabular fashion by using these rows and columns. For demonstration, I am going to use this Jupyter notebook as editor. You want to work in offline, download the Anaconda. Inside the Anaconda, you have the Jupyter notebook. Suppose if it is online, we can use the Google Colab by signing in our Gmail account. Now, for demonstration, I'll log into your Gmail account. After this, go to your Google search. In the Google search, type Google Colab. So here it will show the top. Welcome to Google Colaboratory. This is a link. Once you follow the link, it will open this Google Colab environment. Okay, here the Google providing this laboratory environment. In this Google Colab, we can use our Python. So here, if it is a new notebook, we can click this one. Already I have executed this experiment. So I opened this saved Jupyter notebook. So for Jupyter notebook, we have the extension of .pynb. For Python, it is only .py. But here we are showing .pynb. There is a notebook, Python notebook. So here I given DSA lab. There is a name. Okay, we can change the name by clicking here. Then we have different menus available. Below that we have two plus symbols. The first plus symbol, once you click this plus code, here you can type your program, then you can run here. Then second one, text. If you want to type any comments, you can type here. So this is a thing how to comment in our Google Colab. So now our first exercise number 1, working with the Pandas and data frame. First thing, I'm going to create one data frame. Okay, for that I need a data. Okay, it is a tabular format. For tabular format, we need to give the rows and columns and also values. For that, from the core Python programming, I'm creating one dictionary. We studied something called dictionary in our Python programming. So it follows this curly braces. Inside this, I'm making 2 columns. The first one, register number, then colon. Okay, this is my column name. Under the column name, I'm going to keep 4 values. It is more than one value. That's why I kept in my list. The second column name marks. Here also I supplied 4 values. Now I'm running this cell. Once you get this green tick mark, it is executed successfully. We can understand it is executed successfully. So it is running. So here I get this green tick mark. Now I'm going to import this pandas. Pandas is a package available in Python. So instead of typing the pandas entire word, I'm going to keep in short PD. So import pandas as PD. I'm importing that pandas package. So here it is clear. Now I'm creating another variable df1. Okay, PD dot data frame. Okay, this is a data structure available in your pandas. So in the data structure, I'm going to supply the values that is df available. So then I'm displaying this df. I want to see the df1. For that, again, I'm typing this. Okay, here it's showing. Okay, what the values we supplied, everything is available here. So now this is my register number marks. If you want to see in tabular format, okay, it show like this. Okay, here you can do the filtering. Here we have options, filter, and also how many instances you want to display. Everything will be available here. Okay, next we have created the data frame from dictionary. Okay, now we have a thing called a location. Okay, this is my indexing. Suppose I want to see that first value. Okay, we can give this a print df1.loc of 0. So if you give like this, the first location we have 501 and 100 that will be printed. So similarly, you can change this index 1, 2, 3. Okay, you know the slicing. Suppose you want to display from 1 to first record and 1 to third record. Okay, at that time you will get this 1, 2, 3 like this. So this is usage of location. Now I want to read this CSV file. CSV, there is comma separated file. Most of the data sets available for our data science in the format of CSV. So we need to know how to read the CSV, comma separated value. Comma separated value, that is here I typed serial number, then register number, marks in my Microsoft Excel. Then when you save the program, instead of XLX, you have to save this .csv. So here I am saving again. See, okay, here you have options. Instead of XLX, okay, I saved as comma separated value. So once you saved, it will be available gps.csv. I will show the folder. Okay, this is the thing available, gps.csv. Okay, here I want to upload the file in my Python environment. For that, here I am having files. Click the files. Here I have a up arrow. Okay, here if you click the up arrow, it will allow to choose that corresponding file. Here I choose that gps.csv. Okay, here you will get one warning. After closing that corresponding environment, the gps.csv that will be deleted. If you want to keep permanently, better you upload in your Google Drive. So now I uploaded here gps.csv that is available. Now I'm going to read that CSV file. So df2, I'm using some other variable pd.read.csv. That is a method, that is a function available in your Python. Inside the double quotes, I have to give the file name. Now I am running the file. So it's run. Now I want to display. So I am typing the df2. So the things available in your gps.csv, entire thing will be here. The same thing for Excel sheet also. In the Excel sheet also, we have the same thing, but we need to change this method name, read underscore Excel. And also we have a method called open. Here I have two arguments. The first one, that is file name with the extension, comma, read binary. I'm going to read the content in binary format. So this is a way how to read this Excel sheet. Okay, here I want to upload this Excel sheet. So similarly, in the same manner, open the Excel and type something and name it as gps.xlx. Okay, give the file name with the extension. Then upload here. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. So it is uploaded. Now I am running this. So I want to show this same content I'm having. So this is a thing how to read this CSV and XLS. Now here we have so many methods available. The first one here I'm taking this df3 dot head of 3 top 3 rows I need. So I can give like this dot head 3. Okay, if it is a bottom, no tile. Then if you want to know the shape of the data frame, it's going to show this number of rows and columns, df3.shape. So you have 6 rows and 3 columns. Then again, you want to know about the corresponding data frame dot info. It will show that what is the column name. Okay, here is there any null value? Okay, here I totally have 6 values and also data type that will be printed. Finally, we have this the memory, the data memory value. Then we can count the number of null values. If there is any null values, we can count by using this isNA. So isNA, if there is any null value, it is going to return true. Okay, if it is true, it is going to, when you put the sum function, it is going to count the number of null values. So here in the serial number, I don't have any null values. Register number also, I don't have any null values. So if you leave as a empty, no, it will show that one like that. So this is another method to check that null values. Then if you know, if you want to do some statistical operations in your data frame, we have a method called df3.describe. It is going to tell this count, mean, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, etc. So we can easily analyze our data. Then we have value counts. Value counts, that is another method. Okay, here how many times it is going to print the normally frequency of the value. How many times the corresponding 90 that will be available. Okay, it is only one time. So if it is 290s available, it is going to print 2 like this. This is the meaning of value counts. We can use the value counts for column alone. Here for marks separately, I can use like this. Okay, then what are the columns available in my data frame for the df3 dot columns? Okay, these are the things we can know about. We can easily know about this data frame which is available in the pandas. This is our first exercise. Thanks for watching. The next exercise will be in the next video.